For questions 21 through 25, we're going to be using this label. And question 21 wants to know, what is the strength of the prepared solution? So I'm looking for the word per or slash or contains. And if we look right here, we see that it's 62.5 mg per ml. So 62.5 mg per ml. 22 says how much pure drug is in the vial. So how much total powder drug does this vial contain? And that's usually the number with the largest text size. So that's right here. 500 mg. What expiration date goes on the label if the solution was mixed on February 21st at 4:30 a.m.? So if I'm looking, it says use within 48 hours after mixing. So 48 hours is 2 days. So that would be February 23rd at 4:30 a.m. How much should be given for an order of 40 mg? Again, I'm using the solution strength. So it's 62.5 mg over 1 ml is equal to 40 mg over x. And if we calculate that, then that's going to be 0.64 ml. And we're supposed to round this to the nearest tenth, so 0.6 ml. Number 25, how much should be given for an order of 0.06 grams? And I'm using the same solution strength. I'm just setting up the proportion with 0.06 grams. And before I solve it, I need to get my units to match up. Okay, so if I solve the proportion, I should get 0.96, which if I round to the nearest tenth, that's going to round up to 1 ml.